Hey everybody, this is Jared Chamberlain with Chamberlain Real Estate Group, and we are back for another virtual tour. No, so yeah, virtual tour, virtual open house. We are going to Edgemont, where we are going to 114 Edgeburn Crescent Southwest. We have Dallas. I'm going to unmute you here, Dallas. How
Hello,
you doing today,
everyone.
sir?
Good. It's a beautiful day. It's you can hear the snow melting going down the rain gutters. It's one of my favorite sounds of the spring.
Just drip, drip, drip,
Yeah,
drip.
it's winter leaving is what it sounds like.
Winter leaf. I've never thought of that sound with those words. So now I feel like my springtime is complete.
Yeah, you know it's over when you hear that.
It's good. It's good. So today you are over in Edgemont at 114 Edgeburn Crescent Northwest. This is it a two-story house?
Two-story, correct?
Yeah, two-story detached, 1,149 square feet, priced at 329.9. So great price for Edgemont, I gotta say that. But why don't you give us the
Absolutely.
tour, and I'll paste some links in here for everyone who has questions. But if you're watching, which I know there are a few of you doing, comment, say hi, and let's continue on with the tour, sir.
Yeah, absolutely. And just to reiterate on what Jared said, the price is phenomenal to get into Edgemont for a detached home. As we come in here, this is the living area. Beautiful bay window on the north here. Flooring, the laminate is in very, very good shape, and it's very, very open. Very large living area here. We'll make our way into this kitchen, and you'll immediately notice it's south-facing backyard, very, very bright. Get a good look at the kitchen here. Plenty of cabinet space. And then we have this beautiful sliding door.
So which way is this yard facing?
The backyard faces south. It's very bright. I would say at least 12 hours of direct sunlight here in the summer. Nice 10 by 10 foot deck.
Yeah.
And there's room to build a garage if you'd like.
Oh yeah, yeah, because it goes past beyond the fence there.
Absolutely.
Very
Two
cool.
parking spots back there right now. We'll make our way back in.
That's great.
I'll remember to shut that door when I leave.
I
Okay, and then just we have a half bath here.
think it's been renovated, if I
Yep.
remember. Yep,
We have
there you go.
new countertops in here, just the right size.
Cool. Looks like a
And
toilet.
yeah, just what you'd expect. Let's head on up here.
That's great. And so as you're heading upstairs, we want everyone that's watching, we want you guys to know that we are still able to, as a real estate agent and team and brokerage, we are an essential service. So if you are needing to see places, if you want to set up virtual showings, anything like that, we're able to help you out. We do it cautiously and safely and follow the rules of the government. And but continue on, sir.
Yeah, so south side of the home again. This is going to be the master. Again, we have a very large south-facing window. You can see down the alley there. Comes with two closets, his and hers. Get a look in here. There we are.
Very cool.
And we'll make our way.
So
Here's another room.
your video's a little bit choppy. So
Uh-oh.
yeah, so you just go a little slower. It'd be great.
Okay. And here's our renovated four-piece bathroom. Nice 12 by 24 tiles down here again. Matching granite countertops, new tile around the shower.
Cool.
What's not to love? Economy toilet there with the Eco Flush.
Man, you know your toilets.
And this is, yeah, big toilet fan. Here's our first one of two bedrooms. This is the bigger one.
Cool.
Maybe just to give you guys a good heads up of the area. So we're right across from the church. We're just south of the superstore, so you can walk and get groceries.
Oh,
What's
cool.
not to love
Yeah.
about that?
Yeah, so
South base.
the area right there. So if you go back to the window there, I mean
Yeah.
that's
Okay.
right where that Starbucks is. There's the Rumble studio. Superstore, all that stuff is right across the street essentially. So really good location.
Absolutely. And then we'll make our way to the other room. This one's going to be a little hair smaller, but again, another good sized window.
Yeah,
Could be an office, could be a third bedroom. Depends on your situation.
very cool.
Love these window sizes here.
Yeah, lots of good light. So if you kind of just slow down a bit, so their two bedrooms are on the north side, the master is on the
Correct.
south side, and then
Yep.
kind of have
And
the bathroom in the middle.
exactly. Yep. Exactly.
Cool, cool.
And it's
No,
fully finished basement. So we'll check that out next.
fantastic. Yeah, so again, we are at 114 Edgeburn Crescent Northwest. We have this property listed right now at 329.9. It is a 1,149 square foot detached two-story that has that finished basement, kind of the three bedrooms up. Yeah, so I think you're going to take us downstairs, I believe.
Downstairs just leads here. So we have a separate entrance. Oh, surprise.
Oh, crazy. Cool.
Yep. So there's a second door here if you want to have a guest stay with you downstairs or just easier access.
Okay, so they can
So,
access right out front and back on the side there.
absolutely. It's a wonderful feature.
Okay, great.
Love that. And we'll head down now. And what we have down here is a very large family room.
Nice.
Same flooring as upstairs is down here.
Very good.
Couple closets for some extra storage. And we'll just peek in here. Actually, we'll go this way. We just have a laundry room with your furnace and hot water tank.
Okay, cool.
Units, and then we have an extra kind of hidden hobby nook storage room
Oh, very
back
nice.
here, way in the corner. Yep, that's about it
Fantastic.
all.
Very cool. Well, this is great. Thank you so much for the tour, Dallas. And so, any of those of you that are watching, if you have questions, if you want to see this property or anything else, and you want to set up virtual showings, anything like that, let us know. Dallas, what's the best way for people to get a hold of you?
They can call me because you'll give them their phone number below, or they can just reach out to us on our website.
Totally. What's your cell number again? Just so everyone has it, and I'll put in the comments here.
587-899-8402.
8402. Fantastic. And then I'll also put Dallas at chamberlaingroup.ca. So yeah, so you can view this house. You can view a lot of other homes on chamberlaingroup.ca. If you want to see any of our other virtual open houses, again, just go to chamberlaingroup.ca/virtual open houses with dashes in between. And you can see all of the different open houses that we have done and are planning on doing. Anything else you want to add to this video about this property, Dallas?
No, I just got to reiterate once again, the price is phenomenal.
Yeah,
Detached in Edgemont for 329, you can't beat it.
it's true. 329.9, 1,150 square foot home. Uh, no garage, but a finished basement. So thank you, sir.
Yeah. All right,
Well,
everyone, have a good day.
yes, you as well, and we will chat soon. See ya.